Hi, today we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoins, whether you should invest into it or you should not invest into it. Hi, my name is Nakuma Lois, and this is what we're going to be talking about today, and this is the topic. So before we get started, so let me remind you, if you didn't subscribe yet, just click the subscribe button so that you will not miss any video that I will be publishing. And let's get started. So what I really wanted to understand is cryptocurrency. It is something that I am new to it, and I had no knowledge about that, but I heard so much about the Bitcoins, and that really led me to really make some more researches to see if it is something that I really want to invest into it, because I heard some people are making a lot of money, and I saw those videos on YouTube, and you probably saw it too. Right now you are skeptical. You don't know whether you're gonna invest into it or you will not. You are afraid. You have a lot of doubts in your mind, and you are very insecure. You don't know what to do. And believe me, I know exactly what I'm talking about, because I was exactly where you are. And to be honest, I really want you to understand something. I'm gonna be completely honest with you, based on what I learned and what I understood. First of all, I really wanted to understand, in like a human being, this is normal. So when we see people are talking about something, and we always want to really be part of it, but there are certain emotions that we cannot control, and when we don't manage to control them, they really lead us to certain decisions and all those kind of things. My advice to you, it is, first of all, just make your own researches on cryptocurrency. Make your own researches. One of the biggest things that destroy us, it is we take opinions very easily. We take opinions very easily. I want you to listen to everybody. Don't exclude anyone. Listen to everybody, and at the end of the day, just sit down, calm, take your own decision based on what you learn. If it's something that you will go into it, go for it. If it's something that you will not go for it, don't go for it. But that should be based on your decision. Don't let someone talk you on doing it, and after something happens, you will blame him, or you will say, this is the one. This is something that is not going to help you, and it's not going to help the person that introduced you to that Bitcoins. This is the first advice that I really wanted to understand. Make your own research and take your own decision. The second point that I really want to touch here, it is simply, if you decide that it is something that you want to invest into, there are some precautions that you need to take. I wanted to invest a little bit, and that little bit that you want to invest, it could be $100, it could be 200, 1,000, 5,000. It depends on how much you can afford, and that money should be a money where you can afford to lose. Don't take the money that you want to use to put food on the table to invest in that investment. Investment is investment. There's a potential of gaining, the potential of losing too is always there. Don't take the money that you want to, for your retirement, to put into that. Don't take the money that is very critical for you to have that money, and take that money and go and invest into that. You have the potential of losing it. You have the potential also of gaining it. So everybody is different. Some people can afford to lose 5,000, and some, like me, cannot afford to lose 5,000. So I know where I should start, and everybody is different. So the second advice is, know how much you can invest. If you decide to invest, know how much you can afford to lose. If it becomes something big, you're gonna be very good. So the third step I really want to understand, it is, when people are talking about the big things like that, you want to be part of it. Yes, you want to be part of it. You want. But we are skeptical. That's normal. This is our nature, and there's nothing wrong with that. But you gotta understand that when something is very big and people are talking about it, just put one foot into it, and if it becomes very great, you are part of it. And if it doesn't become very great, I mean, there's nothing to, there's no one to blame, there's nothing to blame. But I wanted to understand that those kind of things, they have the potential of very, very, very making some people happy and making some people sad. That is the way it is. It's going to be. Nothing in this world can make everybody happy. Nothing. But when it comes to those kind of things, I really want you to understand. If you can put one foot into it, put one foot into it and see how it goes. If it goes well, if it doesn't go well, so remove it and you're still, like they say. This is the third point. So these are the 3 steps that I really wanted to consider before investing in anything, especially Bitcoins, or I mean, there are so much, so many cryptocurrencies out there who you can invest into, and it is up to you. The first one is do your own research, make your own decision. Don't let anybody talk you on doing it, because it can be good, it can be bad too. The second one I really wanted to understand, it is go for it. And if you decide to go for it, there are some, I mean, the amount of money that you want to invest into it, it should be yours. Or don't use your money for your medicine, or money for your retirement, or money for something that you want to do to invest into it. You have the potential of losing it. You also have the potential of gaining the so just be careful about what you be doing. And the third part here is, when something is always big, you want to be part of it. Just put one foot into it and see how it goes. If it goes well, you're good. It doesn't go well too, that's life, and nothing can really make everybody happy. So this is pretty much what I really wanted to share with you today about Bitcoins, cryptocurrency. This is my opinion, and I really wanted to just leave a comment below how you think. Is it something that can relate? I mean, you can relate, or something that needs to manage? I would love to hear from you. And that being said, I want to say thank you so much, and take your own decision and move forward. See you next time. Bye.